What's up, guys? It's your girl Shakeira. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm really excited for this video because I enjoyed this hairstyle, this curly box braid, and I'm gonna be my own hype man because I slayed this hairstyle. It's crochet, guys, but I know you can't tell, and I can't wait to show you guys the method I use. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. But wait, before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed and also hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload or drop a video as bomb as this or even better. So now let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I am going to be installing some curly box braids that was sent to me by an Amazon company, and I know you're probably wondering, like, why did I start my hair already without you guys? I didn't. I have the footage and I'm not sure how I'm going to be editing this video just yet, but I just want to explain to you guys what happened in case you decide to install this hair. And usually I wouldn't show stuff like this because it will just make the video unnecessarily long, but the method I'm going to show you now is what I would recommend if you do not want to have that old school crochet look when you do like your box braid install. I was going to use the method that I used when I did my spring twist crochet. Not sure if you guys know what video I'm talking about, or maybe it's the first time you're seeing my videos. I'll leave it in the cards and probably put the link in my description bar as well so that you guys can see. But for that method, and I guess I will show the clips of how my hair was braided before, I parted the front where I wanted to show in individuals, and then I plait them into my cornrows. I'm gonna show you the back. So you guys can see I just did some simple cornrows, but when I was actually crocheting the hair into my head, I didn't like how it was looking. It was looking a bit too bulky. Honestly, I don't like crochet, so I always try to find methods to make it look as cute and as natural as possible. Crocheting to me is just like really old school, but that's just how I feel about it. So like I said, I always try to find new method and ways to make it look as good as possible. So now I'm going to be trying something different, and guys, when I was recording before, I was planning to do a voiceover because it was very loud as usual. You guys hear me complain about this many times before, but I have a quiet day today. The workshop next door is not too loud, so I decided to talk to you guys, and I'm using my camera for audio because my phone, the little headphone, sometimes it's too low. I remember I did a video and someone was saying that the audio was really low, so they didn't even bother watching the video, and I don't really want you guys to click out because you can't hear what I am saying. Now I know this is probably already too long and you probably want to click out right now, but we're gonna start. I actually already unboxed the hair on camera, so I will just put the clip right now and tell you guys a little about the hair, and then we'll start back with the tutorial. Okay guys, so this hair was sent to me by an Amazon company, and this is the package the hair came in. Not fancy or anything, but it was neatly packed. In the package I got 5 bundles, and each bundle had 30 strands of box braid. The color I got it in is 1B, guys. Please don't mind my nails. The hair is very soft and it is very light. And at this point, I wasn't really sure if 5 packs would do, but you will see by the end of the video. And the loops were very neat, which made it a lot easier to crochet. And I didn't show on camera, but it did come with a crochet needle and some hair jewelry. I'm gonna start from the back, and then we will fix the front. The front will be looking like individuals, hopefully. I'm just going to take my time and I'm going to crochet each corner individually. And for the back, I'm going to be using 2 finger widths for now because I only have 5 packs of hair and I'm not sure if it will be enough. Okay, let me start with this one. So 2 finger widths. I'm gonna push my pin above my finger, right there. And then I'm gonna find the loop, the opening of the braid at the top. And okay, I'm gonna hook it through the latch, right? I'm gonna close the latch because we don't want any accident and we do not want our hair to pull out, and then we're gonna pull it through. Easy at that. Without removing the hair, I'm now gonna put the end of the hair on to the latch, right? And I'm gonna close it. Then I'm gonna slide this over like this. So I'm gonna go again, 2 finger widths. Push this through. Take up a braid. Okay guys, so this is how far 2 packs got me, and as you just saw in the back, you can't really see my cornrows, which is good, and I'm really surprised because the hair is very light and it's very soft. So I really wasn't expecting it to look this thick once I put it in, but like I said, 2 packs down. In the front, as I get closer to the front, I'll be using 1 finger width. I think for this one, because it's going to be so close to where I leave out my little individuals, I might put them as close as possible, like this and this one right here. But for the rest in the front, I'll be using 1 finger width. When I'm finished installing all of the hair, then I can always go back and add more if it is necessary. This is a little style I do as well. When I put it in, I turn it like this and hook it right here so it doesn't fall out while I prepare the hair. And I leave the hair on here because sometimes if you take them off, then it might be a bit harder for you to try to find the hole when you slide it off like this. I already hold the hole in place right there. See it right there? So now I'm gonna just push my through. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have 2 packs left and I'm finished crocheting all of my hair except for my lever, which is going to be my individuals. And guys, if you have seen this method anyway on YouTube, let me know, but I honestly haven't seen any video with this done. It's just something that I came up with because I was trying a method that I did before and it just was not working for box braid. It worked for the spring twist, but it did not work for the box braid. So I had to be creative. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the latch hook into my box braid, into the little loop. And while it's down here, and what you want to do, you want to take the top section, right, that you parted out, and you're going to hook it onto the latch hook and you're going to close it. Now you're going to take your box braid and you're going to slide it all the way down until your hair is pulled through. Now that your hair is through, you're going to put the box braid somewhere so it's out of the way. And now all you have is your section, right? And you can put a rubber band here, but I just feel like the rubber band will make it too bulky. So what I did, I just braid this section down. You want to braid it tight enough so it hold the box braid in place, but you don't want to put it too tight because you do not want to damage your hair and you do not want your hair to pull out. Braiding it all the way down. I'm now gonna crochet this, my hair ends, into the braid. I'm just gonna push it through, and you wanna do small spaces because you're trying to hide your hair into the corner. So I'm just going back and forth trying to push the hair through, back and forth until you get like to the top. And you don't have to do like me and try to force so much in. I'm just like really lazy. So I'm gonna now put my hair onto the latch, and I'm going to close the latch hook. Then I'm just gonna basically pull it through. For the top, because this is where you guys will see, this is where people will be seeing, I did use some edge control to clean up my part, have it looking nice and neat. And I also applied the edge control to the hair itself so that the braid will look extremely neat. Okay, I also forgot to mention earlier that if the braid is going to be laid on this side, like this one is, then you would hook the box braid on this side. You always put it on the top. If it was going to be on this side, then you would have put the box braid on this side, which would have been the top, and the braid would have been tucked under. Hope that makes sense. Okay guys, I'm not going to lie, this hair exceeded my expectation. Like when I got the hair and I saw how soft and light it was, I wasn't even sure if it would be enough to do my full head. But as you can see, I didn't even have to use all 5 packs, and my hair is full enough, at least for my liking. I also wasn't sure how the curliness of the box braid would look, but I absolutely love it. I honestly love this hairstyle, and my individual technique worked, and my hair looked like I spent 6 to 8 hours doing my hair. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you comment and let me know what you think about it, or just comment to say hi. I respond to all of my comments. Make sure you like and just share this video to everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and also click that bell to get my notifications. See you in my next video. Bye.